So when it's about walking down the red carpet, our B-Town ladies leave no stone unturned. And when it's Hollywood's red carpet, you gotta be that extra bit careful. Spotboy ने आपको बताया था how Jacqueline is trying to break through into Hollywood. So what about her fashion and styling then? Let's find out. Bollywood has been bitten by the Hollywood bug. B-Town की heroines अपने bags pack कर रही हैं for Hollywood and they are killing it there. Priyanka Chopra है the star of Quantico and will play the villain in Baywatch. Hollywood को प्रियंका से है इतना प्यार कि PC ऑस्कर भी प्रेजेंट कर रही हैं. प्रियंका के साथ हॉलीवुड में है उनकी co-star Deepika Padukone who is slaying it in XXX The Return of Xander Cage with Vin Diesel. Just check her out having the time of her life. इन्हें ज्वाइन करना चाहती है जैकलीन फर्नांडिस. स्पॉटबॉय ने आपको एक्सक्लूसिवली बताया कि जैकलीन ने मीटिंग्स की विद टॉप एजेंट्स और एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म के लिए ऑडिशन भी की. हॉलीवुड के रेड कार्पेट्स पे प्रियंका हैज बीन एसिंग इट. क्या जैकलीन भी ऐसा कर पाएंगी? Can Jacqueline stun Hollywood with her style? Well, let's have a look. Jacqueline's inherent sense of style है very glamorous. Red carpet पे Jacqueline loves to bring the drama. पर sometimes कुछ ज़्यादा ही drama हो जाता है. So much drama कि बेचारी चल नहीं पाती हैं. However, most times Jacqueline's go-to red carpet style works pretty well. It's sexy and we mean sexy as hell. Plunging necklines and thigh-high slits, Jacqueline's fashion statements है हॉलीवुड के रेड कार्पेट्स के लिए परफेक्ट. अगर जैकलीन को चाहिए थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन तो all she has to do is take a leaf from Sofia Vergara and Jennifer Lopez's style book. If Jacqueline makes it big in Hollywood, red carpet से हटके उनके कई और भी commitments होंगे where she has to be more casually dressed. जैकलीन के non-red carpet statements भी है high on oomph. Crop top and maxi skirts ho ya pencil skirts with a slinky top or a skirt with a sexy slit or even a dress with cutouts, Jacqueline looks stunning almost all of the time. Jacqueline ले सकती है inspiration from Emma Stone and Jennifer Lawrence for a young, fresh yet sexy style. Jacqueline's been spotted in jeans and a jacket at the airports, or her gym wear can make anyone jealous. I mean, some of our formal wear isn't as cool as her gym clothes. Can you guys imagine that? एयरपोर्ट स्टाइल के लिए जैकलीन टिप्स ले सकती है फ्रॉम द गोर्जियस ब्लेक लाइवली. हॉलीवुड में हो तो दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू फॉरगेट योर देसी रूट्स. जैकलीन्स देसी स्टाइल हैज ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज बीन ऑन पॉइंट. साड़ी से लेकर लहंगास तक जैकलीन हैज aced them all. Except this look, Jacqueline. Like, just no for this one. Well, Jacqueline, we hope you're listening. That's all for now, guys. But before I wrap up, do let us know what you feel about PC starring in Baywatch. Leave your comments on our portal spotboy.com, and we're also on Twitter and Facebook. This is me, Caitlin, signing off, but be back for the second edition of Spotboy.